What is financial independence, retire early, or FIRE? Have you ever dreamed of escaping the daily grind and retiring on your own terms? Imagine having the freedom to pursue your passions, travel the world, or simply spend quality time with loved ones while you're still young. Well, that's precisely what the FIRE movement aims to achieve. It's a lifestyle that centers around extreme saving, investing, and frugality, with the goal of retiring far earlier than traditional retirement plans would allow. So how does FIRE work, and is it the right path for you? To embark on the FIRE journey, followers adopt a radical approach to their finances. They commit to saving and investing a significant portion of their income, often aiming for 50% or more. By drastically reducing expenses and living below their means, they free up substantial funds for long-term wealth accumulation. The idea is to amass a sizable nest egg that can sustain them throughout their early retirement years. Key to the FIRE strategy is the concept of the FIRE number. This is the target amount of assets needed to achieve financial independence. It is typically calculated by multiplying your annual expenses by 25. For instance, if your annual expenses amount to $40,000, your FIRE number would be $1 million. Reaching this milestone signifies that you have accumulated enough wealth to cover your living expenses without relying on a traditional job. To reach their FIRE number, adherents focus on three core principles: decreasing spending, aggressive saving, and investing. They prioritize essentials and cut back on discretionary expenses, redirecting the saved funds into high-yield investment vehicles. Many FIRE followers invest in low-cost index funds, real estate, or other assets that generate passive income. The goal is to build a diversified portfolio that can sustain their desired retirement lifestyle. However, FIRE is not without its challenges and trade-offs. Achieving early retirement requires discipline, commitment, and often significant lifestyle adjustments. It means making sacrifices in the present to secure financial freedom in the future. Unexpected events such as market downturns, inflation, or medical emergencies can pose risks to your FIRE plans. It's essential to have contingency plans in place and regularly reassess your financial strategy to mitigate these potential pitfalls. The FIRE movement offers various approaches and variations to suit different individuals' goals and circumstances. Some followers aim for fat FIRE, which involves accumulating a substantial nest egg that allows for a more lavish retirement lifestyle. On the other end of the spectrum, lean FIRE entails living a minimalist lifestyle and embracing frugality to retire with a smaller nest egg. Barista FIRE offers a middle ground, where individuals quit their traditional jobs to work part-time while still enjoying a modest lifestyle. And slow FIRE focuses on gradually achieving financial independence without drastic lifestyle changes. While the FIRE movement has gained popularity, it's important to note that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Each person's financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance are unique. It's crucial to adapt the principles of FIRE to your individual circumstances and create a plan that aligns with your values and aspirations. So, is the FIRE movement right for you? Only you can answer that question. Consider your financial goals, your willingness to make sacrifices, and your long-term vision. Reflect on whether early retirement is truly what you desire, or if achieving financial independence while continuing to work in a fulfilling career might be a better fit. Ultimately, FIRE is a personal journey that requires careful consideration and thoughtful planning. As you contemplate the possibilities of financial independence and early retirement, remember that the essence of the FIRE movement extends beyond the numbers. It's about reclaiming control over your time, living intentionally, and pursuing a life filled with meaning and fulfillment. Whether you choose to follow the FIRE path or adopt its principles to enhance your financial well-being, the key is to find a balance between enjoying the present moment and securing a prosperous future. So, are you ready to ignite the FIRE within and explore the possibilities of financial independence and early retirement? The choice is yours. Take a leap of faith and embrace the FIRE movement. Your future self will thank you as you embark on a life of financial freedom, pursuing your dreams and passions on your terms. Start saving, investing, and planning for your FIRE number today. We hope you enjoyed learning about the FIRE movement and its principles. If you found this information valuable, please take a moment to like and comment below. Thanks for watching.